Hello everyone. In this tutorial today, we are going to discuss about HTML paragraphs. Quickly, let us start. HTML paragraphs. The HTML p tag element defines a paragraph. A paragraph always starts on a new line, and browsers automatically add some white space, a margin before and after a paragraph. That is, when you write something after this one that you write here, if you want to write another thing, if you press enter, it will give you another new white space, which is a margin. You can control this margin in the later future. In the video, I will show you how you can control the margin. Let's continue. Example of the HTML paragraph. This is a paragraph, and this is another paragraph. Quickly, let's show you how it looks. You define a paragraph by writing P on a document. But before we write the P, let us save the document like this. The body is having no P inside and no any code inside the body. Inside the body tag is very free right now. Let's reload our page. You see, the body tag is empty. Now let's write a paragraph. P tag is for paragraph. The VS Code automatically generates the full syntax of the paragraph. Let's save it and see how it looks on the browser without writing anything on it. You can see nothing shows. But now we are going to write something here. This is a paragraph. This is a paragraph. Save it and reload the page. You see, this is a paragraph, right? So let's write another paragraph. Let's save it. This is another paragraph. Let's save it and reload it. This is another paragraph. Can you notice one thing here? There is a white space here. There is a white space here. This automatically added to our P element and our H tag element. Some of the elements in the HTML, they add automatic margin, automatic white space on it. They have a name that we call it. In the future video, I'm going to tell you how we identify them. Copy this and place it here also. It will still work the same. Nothing is going to change, as you can see. So, and the funniest part, the only way you can break it, I will tell you in the future. But learn this. This is a paragraph. It always jump to a new line, a new line. Even if you write it like this, we put a lot here, it's going to be on a new line. Everything is going to be on a new line. You can see. This is a paragraph in HTML. My name is Anwar Akorede Ayofe. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Have a great day once again.